Now, I want you guys to think about this. If you felt curious, would you touch the oobleck? Show a thumbs up for yes or a thumbs down for no. If Mrs. E was in this class and going through the experiment with the oobleck and I felt nervous, I would give a thumbs up for a yes because I would be just like Eva and be curious as to how it feels. Hopefully there was an equal amount of thumbs up for some super excited and interested students, and thumbs down, which is understandable because you might be a little nervous about what it would do to your fingers or your skin or how it smells or how it feels. I get it. So, what about nervous? Would you touch the oobleck if you were nervous? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Miss E would give another thumbs up for yes. Even though I was nervous, I would still be more curious than nervous to see exactly how it felt. Curious and nervous are conflicting feelings. Show a thumbs up if it's okay to have conflicting feelings, to feel both curious and nervous. Yes, my thumbs are up because it is okay to have conflicting feelings for sure. For instance, all of us going into a new year of 2021. Coming off of 2020, I'm sure that so many of us are super nervous about what the new year is going to bring, but also super curious about what the new year is going to bring. So there's lots of possibilities about feeling two different feelings, having conflicting feelings. Everyone has conflicting feelings sometimes, but they're making it hard for Eva to decide what to do. She notices other students who look like they're feeling the same way. So, as Eva notices, using her cues, that other students are feeling the same way, what can Eva do to help herself decide if she'll touch the oobleck or not? Teachers, I want you to pause the video here and have some discussion with your students about what can Eva do to help herself decide. Those are some great options, boys and girls. If it were up to me to decide, I would say that Eva could watch some of the other students to see what they do. She could tell her teacher, I'm not sure, I'm a little nervous, so I don't know if I want to touch it yet. Maybe let somebody else go. And she can watch and see how they experience the oobleck, and then she can make her own decision. So when it's her turn, Eva assertively tells the teacher about her conflicting feelings, which is a great use of communication. The teacher says it's okay to feel both curious and nervous. She reminds everyone that they can choose to touch the oobleck or to not choose to touch the oobleck and to just watch. Eva decides to touch it, and other students do too. Great job, Eva, using your communication to tell how you feel, but also using your curiosity to still move forward. It's okay to do that at times, students. When we feel curious and when we feel nervous, it's okay to use our skills to be able to be assertive, to be able to make tough decisions about what to do. Now, as we move forward with the rest of Community Circle this week, we will go into our skills practice. Hopefully, as you guys move forward within this week, as you guys are learning lessons or doing activities, when you're at home, when you're doing after school programming, when you're in your learning pods, if you encounter an experience that makes you feel two different conflicting feelings, such as Eva in this science experiment, you will now have the language to be able to communicate and use your skills to be able to talk about how it's okay to have conflicting feelings.